You follow this exact plan, you can get you about 160, 170 grams of protein, full day of eating, okay? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. All right, what I have for you today is a high protein, full day of eating. I'll show you how to do it. Get your pen and paper ready. Write these down because you're gonna wanna add these into your diet. Man, these jokers are good, they're easy, and it's gonna hold you down, okay? So let's get to it, come on now. Okay, so for breakfast, I don't know about you, but I need my coffee in the morning. Why don't I get my coffee and get some protein at the same time? So what I like to do is go and grab some of this right here, this cold brew. Okay, so you just mix up a little bit of this. And one of my go-to favorite protein shakes is this right here, okay? Core Power. If you like Core Power, let me know in the comments, man. Core Power is great. Just mix these two together and you got your high protein coffee, all right? Throw it over some ice, cold brew, you cannot beat it, okay? So check both of these out. You don't have to go with chocolate if you don't want to. I usually go with vanilla, but for some reason, chocolate just tastes good in the coffee, all right? Let me know what your favorite high protein coffee is if you do this as well. If you're gonna have coffee, might as well make it a high protein version, right? So what I like to do is just have this. Then one of my other go-tos every single morning, almost every single morning, is eggs. I love eggs, such a great way to get your protein in. Got a ton of vitamins in there, but sometimes we don't have time to cook eggs, so you can go grab you some of these right here, all right? They come already hard-boiled in the bag. Now, what I like to do with the hard-boiled eggs, I grab 2 of these. They're 6 grams of protein each, all right? So I grab 2 of them. I like to split them down the middle and throw a little Tony Chachere's on top, all right? How do you season your hard-boiled eggs? What do you put on them? What do you make with your hard-boiled eggs? Let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for new recipes, always looking for different ways, different ideas so I can add into my routine as well. So let me know in the comments, how do you get down with your eggs? So you put that with your coffee, and you got you over 50 grams of protein for breakfast with the quickness. It's so easy to get over 50 grams of protein for breakfast if you do it like this. Now let's look for what we're gonna have for lunch. Okay, now lunch is gonna be super simple as well. You can take this anywhere with you. If you have it at the house, that's fine. If you're going to work, have it at the office. I'm trying to give you quick and easy options you can take with you anywhere. One of my go-tos are these right here. These little tuna packets. If you use these, let me know what is your favorite flavor. There are tons of flavors of these, okay? Now this little packet right here is 15 grams of protein. I like hot buffalo. If you've seen any of my videos, you know I like some buffalo sauce, all right? So hot buffalo tuna, come on now, you can't beat that. You can just grab one of these packets, keep it with you, and you can easily take it to work with you, all right? So what I like to do is add these right here. Bread I like to choose, I like to roll with is this right here, all right? This Sara Lee Delightful White. For some reason, this bread is the best bread I have found so far. It is white bread that's so soft, all right? It's, man, you just cannot beat it. 2 slices is 90 calories, 90 calories. And if you're low carb, even if you're not low carb, go try this bread, all right? But if you're not low carb, I still want you to go try this bread. Let me know, do you get down with Sara Lee white bread? You can make grilled cheese sandwiches with this joker. You can make all kinds of stuff, put some butter on it. It tastes good, just toast, okay? French toast, you can't beat it. There's so many different things you can do with this bread. So 2 slices, 90 calories, and it has 5 grams of protein. So come on now, you can't beat that. So we're just making a tuna fish sandwich. How easy is that? You can side this with some chips if you want to, with some protein chips, maybe some Quest protein chips if you want to go that route. But what I'm going to side it with today is going to be this right here. I'm going to go with a ratio yogurt. You don't have to go with ratio. I like to go with ratio because it's 25 grams of protein and it just makes it so easy, all right? So I like to go with ratio, but whatever options you want to go with, they got Chobani, they got just all kinds. Everybody's got a protein yogurt now, all right? Just try to get it around 20 grams of protein. It'll really help you hit your goals. So this is a high protein lunch right here, and it's quick and easy. All right, tuna fish sandwich and yogurt. Come on now, you can't beat that, all right? So this is perfect if you're on a weight loss journey. Okay, you're trying to hold yourself accountable. You're trying not to eat as much. If your lunches are what's throwing you off track, try something like this. Try to add this in maybe a few times a week and you will see some changes. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. Let me look at another little snack for you, all right? Okay, one of my go-to snacks right now, these dry roasted edamame. All right, 1 serving, 14 grams of protein. You can't beat that. 14 grams of protein in 1 serving. These are great, it's a great snack. Grab your bag, take it with you. You can get this bag here. I'm here at Kroger, or you can get the big bag at Costco, whichever route you want to go. What I like to do is grab you some of this and then go look for this right here. Catalina Crunch has a snack mix now. Now this stuff tastes amazing, all right? If you've had this, let me know in the comments. This stuff is great. 1 serving, 10 grams of protein, okay? So if you mix these two together right there, come on now, you can't beat that, all right? You're on your way to having a high protein snack already. One other thing I like to mix with it, oh, also on the Catalina Crunch, this is actually my favorite flavor right here, the spicy one. Man, this joker is good. Let me know if you get down with Catalina Crunch spicy mix. Man, that's good. 10 grams of protein. But let me show you what to mix with it. Now for a snack to bump up the protein even more, I always like to go with a cottage cheese. All right, this is the Good Culture cottage cheese. This little container right here is 19 grams of protein. You don't have to get, a lot of places you can't find Good Culture, that's fine. Go with Daisy, go with whatever your favorite cottage cheese is. But I like to get the little containers, makes it easy for me to pack. You can take them to work, you can take them on the road with you, just pack a little cooler, throw your spoon in there, you are good to go. There's no more excuses, okay? Okay, now these three snacks, the Catalina Crunch, the cottage cheese, and those edamame, gonna get you over 40 grams of protein for a snack. All right, that's your snack. Okay, you're hitting your protein goals right there. That's gonna hold you down to your next meal. Let me show you what we're gonna have for dinner today, okay? All right, now for dinner, I'm gonna give you an option that you can make on the stove. You can bake them, you can air fry them. But man, these jokers are so good. Let me know if you've tried these. These right here, these skewers, man, you gotta go check these out. If your store has these, you can find these at most stores, but they come individually packaged. So let me show you the calories on these. Okay, so one skewer, 100 calories, 2 grams of fat, 16 grams of protein, and one skewer. Come on now, you can't beat that. I like to go with 2 or 3, and then it matters what you put on the side. So what I like to add on the side is those skewers go great on something like this, okay? Some broccoli slaw. Okay, you can't go wrong with this. Now this is going to help you get your fiber, it's going to get your veggies, and it goes great with those skewers because those skewers are already seasoned. Okay, you take you some broccoli slaw, you can put a little soy sauce on there if you want to. It's all on you, whatever you want to do. And I also like to go with edamame. Okay, now these right here make it super simple. You stick these in the microwave, they steam in the bag. Okay, put a little sea salt on them. Man, edamame is a great way to get extra protein in as well. So you have this with the broccoli slaw and those skewers. Come on now, you are good to go. So let's say you have 3 of these and a little bit of edamame. You're at 50 grams of protein for dinner. Bam, just like that. That's simple, okay? I'm trying to give you simple options, that tasty options that you can mix into your everyday life. I'm trying to help you find a way to hit your goals, okay? Hit your protein goals the easiest, tastiest, and fastest way possible, okay? These things cook super quick, so go check out these skewers, all right? Do not sleep on these skewers. If you find them, grab them, stick them in your fridge because they're gonna come in clutch, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna give you one more snack option, all right? This is another snack option I like to have sometime throughout the day. Just makes it so easy, all right? I just love string cheese, okay? You can't go wrong with string cheese. If you don't want to go with string cheese, you can also get the little round ones, the little baby bells. Those are great as well. But one thing I have found that if you like apples, all right, go get you an apple, slice that joker up, and then drizzle a little bit of honey on top of that apple. Thank me later. Sweet tooth is gone, okay? You have to try that out, all right? It is amazing, okay? If you like apples, you like honey, put them together, and I'm trying to tell you, it is gonna set you straight. You're gonna like it, all right? Now just watch the honey though. Don't put too much on there, okay? Measure it out, put you a little bit on that apple, and it's gonna be good, all right? Thank you later. Let me know if you do something like this, all right? Let me know in the comments, okay? So there you have it. If you follow this exact plan, you can get you about 160, 170 grams of protein, full day of eating, okay? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. Follow this, add some of these into your routine. If you're looking for ways to get protein in your diet the healthiest and quickest ways possible, I got you covered, all right? Let me know what you like to add into your rotation that's quick and easy to help you reach your protein goals. What are your protein goals? Let me know that too, because I can also tailor some stuff to hopefully help you hit those protein goals as well, okay? We all have different goals. We're all trying to reach different goals, but at the same time, we're all trying to do it the healthiest way possible, right? So let me know in the comments what your goals are, what you like to eat to reach those goals, what you like to take out, and what helps get you to your next meal. What are some of your snack options as well, okay? Because those can really help. And I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go.